Hello guys, Victor Isibor here. I am not an investment advisor. Do your own due diligence. I won't be responsible for any profits you make or any losses you incur as a result of you consuming my content. First timers, you're welcome. Returning subscribers and viewers, salute, like in the military. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. Guys, I decided to Google the name BARRICK-GOLD because I'm interested in the company. It's a mining company. All right. And the Google results I have shows that their website is barrick.com. Barrick.com. I have gone through this website, but I don't want to open the website. You on your own watching this video, go to barrick.com, open the website. You will see the entire team from management, officers, directors, board. I have gone through all, but I don't want to open their website. Okay? You will do that by yourself, but you know the website is barrick.com. Okay? Go ahead. Let us go to, you see some of their pictures of their operations here. You see different pictures. Now, this is Wikipedia. I'll open Wikipedia so that we'll read about it. All right? So that you read more about this company. Okay? This company has been around for a while. So I'm going to open Wikipedia. You read about it now. Say Barrick Gold is a corporation, is a mining company that produces gold and copper with 16 operating sites in 13 countries. It is headquartered in Toronto, Canada. It has mining operations in Argentina, Canada, Chile, Cote d'Ivoire, Democratic Republic of Congo, Dominican Republic, Mali, Papua New Guinea, Saudi Arabia, Tanzania, the USA, and Zambia. Alright, meaning in Africa, they are mining in Cote d'Ivoire, the DRC, Mali, Papua New Guinea, Tanzania, and Zambia. No Nigeria. Okay? No Nigeria mining operations. All right? No Nigeria mining operations. Now, you see, they are traded on exchanges, the New York Stock Exchange. Okay? So if you want to buy Barrick Gold, you want to invest in Barrick Gold, you will invest on these exchanges. That is where they are available for investment. New York Stock Exchange, S&P, TSX 60 component, TSX ABX. That's where you can invest in them. All right? It was founded in 1983. It is 40 years old. Okay? These are the names of the executive chairman, the CEO, and all that. All right? Again, look at their website. Okay? Barrick.com. Okay? It is consistent with the website we saw before. All right? That is their website, and these are their operations. Okay? So somebody sent me a website. He said I should review it. I say, what is the website? He says it's a earning app. Barrick-gold.com. Look at the website that they say I should review. And I'm like, how many Barrick Golds do we have? What's going on here? So I now decided to open the website. I registered, and I opened the website. And I saw a video. No, let me check the next video, not this one. I saw this video of this man saying his name is David Anthony. That is the CEO of Barrick Gold. I tell you for free, this is a paid actor by the scammers behind this project, who was paid maybe $20 or even $100. They would tell him the name he's going to answer, and he will introduce himself as COO of Barrick Gold. Okay? Because you cannot have a real person on a fake website, can you? You cannot have a real person on a fake impersonating website. Okay? The reason why I showed you the Google search I made earlier is to familiarize, to lay the foundation of what I'm about to do. Okay? Now, the person that is trying to sell this scam to you will also show you this video of this woman. No, let me show you the video of the woman. You will not hear the audio because I'm using a microphone. Saying that the team behind BARRICK-GOLD went to Akwa Ibom to donate relief materials to people. My brothers and sisters, MMM leaders went to donate materials to people. MMM was even advertised in the church. Okay, 86 FB, they went about doing charity, donating to people. Even news carried them. You see some women that they donated for were even crying. MTFE, they went about donating to people. The moment the leaders of a Ponzi scheme have fed fat, the next thing is they start donating to people on the streets. News will carry them. Ponzi schemes, they go on radio, they pay for airtime and they do advertisement. It doesn't mean it's legitimate. All those advertisements, all those charity work that they are doing, it is also a part of marketing. Because somebody that is donating bags of rice on the streets, walking around with a printed shirt, people must ask, what is this thing you printed on your shirt now? An opportunity to bring in a new victim into the scam. Okay? So now, on this their website, they say company profile. Look at this cheap website that they are attributing to a Toronto-based multinational company. When you want to invest in them, you go to New York Stock Exchange to invest in this company. Reputable organization listed on the stock exchange in New York. Now, look at their investment packages. These fake people now. They are asking you, look at Rush Message, they are asking you to invest 160,000 naira. We looked at the countries where this BARRICK-GOLD is operating. Nigeria was conspicuously absent. They are operational in Zambia, in Tanzania, DRC, Papua New Guinea, Toronto, the United States of America, but they did not use any of the currencies of those countries. They chose the Naira. Now, we have seen this. Yesterday, I was reviewing THOMDOCK, another scam, where they will produce a simple website and they will lie that they are doing something and they will not talk about what they are doing again. They will not ask you to bring money and be earning so and so money on a daily basis. This one is an imitation scam using the name and modus operandi of an existing legitimate brand and organization to perpetrate their scam. Okay? Then they paid a hungry-looking white man a few cents, to claim to be their CEO. And when you go to the original website of this original company, you will not find such a name there. Okay? And I decided that, because majority of these scams are always new, I decided that, okay, let me check the Whois analysis of BARRICK-GOLD.com. And I saw that the website was even registered April 3rd, 2023 to expire April 3rd, 2024. Do you know that the same date that this website was registered, this fake website BARRICK-GOLD was registered, is the same date that THOMDOCK was registered? I didn't prepare for this, but I just got inspired because I just remembered I reviewed THOMDOCK, I exposed them yesterday, and it just came into my head now that, come on, see, these guys are playing a game on us, Nigerians. Let me search THOMDOCK on Whois, and you will see what I am saying. See, the same date, the same expiration date. These scammers are working together like a network. And who are the targets? Nigerians. That is why their base currency is always in Naira. And why do they target Nigerians? We don't want to work. We don't want to learn and develop ourselves. We prefer to dump our money with Ponzi schemes. There's a legitimate platform in the description of this video right now. You people will not go there, register and contact me and ask me so that you will start learning, applying your knowledge and making money. No, you just want to dump money somewhere where they will promise you fraudulent, suspicious returns on a daily basis. They will put up a referral bonus that will encourage you to bring in all people that used to trust you, so that by the time they collapse, they will betray your trust in those people, and those people will not even greet you the next time you see them again. See, same date that they registered this THOMDOCK was the day that they registered this BARRICK-GOLD.com. So that if you don't fall for that Barrick, you will fall for the THOMDOCK. Anyway, MAGA must fall. Okay? We read directly on Wikipedia that BARRICK-GOLD is a 41-year-old company. Look at the original website, barrick.com. Look at it. Look at when they registered the website. 1995. The original website, look at it, barrick.com. This is the original website that these criminals are trying to impersonate. Look at the registration date of the original website, 1995. 28 years ago. That's to tell you, oh, this is the original company. All right? Let's go back to the fake BARRICK-GOLD that we are investigating. So you see, they will put different packages there offering you daily returns. Sun Solar came. They said they were selling solar panels. They did it. They cashed out, took away your money and ran away. Jumcat did it. Mandarin Plaza did it. Fire VIP did it. Hugh Evans did it. Twitter Follow did it. THOMDOCK is doing it. Insme did it. All of them come to you, cash out and go. You still won't learn. Please, look in the description of this video. There's a legitimate platform there. Register, contact me, and tell me you are ready to start learning and earning in the crypto world, so that you start doing something legitimate for yourself and you leave all these Ponzi schemes alone. Let Ponzi breathe.
Let
the Ponzi
breathe. Don't suffocate them. We have that responsibility.
Thank you for watching this video. This BARRICK-GOLD opportunity collecting your money in Naira and paying returns in Naira is a scam. I'll see you in the next one. I'm Victor Isibor. I'm out.